I'm that star up in the sky, I'm that mountain peak up high. Hey, I made it, I'm the world's greatest.
Illum il-ġurnata Luisa it-tfajla promettenti fix-xena tal-handball lokali, saħansitra rrappreżentat lil pajjiżna flimkien mat-tim nazzjonali fl-Iżvezja. Imma biex waslet sawn, Luisa kellha teleb l-isfidi.
I was born with a heart problem, and instead of operating me, they decided to give me medication. And what doctors think is that this medication made me lose my hearing, and because of that, I was announced profoundly deaf when I was around a year old.
Ta' sena Luisa tilfet is-smieħ u ta' sentejn kellha ssifer lejn Manchester għall-implant biex tkun tista' tirkupra ftit mis-smieħ mill-widna tal-lemin u tieħu terapija biex tkun tista' titgħallem titkellem. Fl-2012 Luisa ddeċidiet li tgħaddi mill-istess intervent din id-darba f'widnejha tax-xalluk biex illum tista' tisma' minn widnejha t-tnejn.
It feels really good, like I can hear everything, like it's amazing, like I can hear people talking, I can hear the birds. You know, and I hate taking off my implants, you know, there's something I have to, you know, stay with every day. And I'm like really appreciated that my parents decided to take this decision.
Tiddiskrivi lill-ġenituri tagħha bħala nies importanti li mingħajrhom u d-deċiżjonijiet diffiċli li kellhom jieħdu ma kienitx tasal sawn. Tqis l-isħaba tal-handball bħala parti importanti mis-suċċess tagħha.
It's such a great feeling to be able to hear my coach, you know, screaming and all my teammates cheering for me. Like, it's not just hearing no noise, you know, they know about it and they support me and they tell me not to give up, and it's such a nice feeling to know that there are people there behind you, cheering you on.
Minkejja d-diffikultajiet li jistgħu jinqalgħu waqt logħba handball, sħab Luisa ma jqisux dan bħala ostaklu.
Tkun iktar supportiva liha u hemm għax waqt il-logħba eżin jista' jkun tkun challenge għax it's a very contact sport, allura xi ħaġa diffiċli taf kif.
Fimni jessaċ il-problema mhix daqshekk ostaklu ħajtek fis-sens ora jivverandi mill-komunikazzjoni. Se eżempju rid ngħidilha xi ħaġa u ma tifhimniex anke nagħmilha sinjal. Problema ta' xejn. Tkellimna
wkoll mal-coach ta' Luisa u Kavallieri Handball Club, skwadra beta medja ta' 18-il sena.
Id-diffikultà bil-kemm tinnuta, to be honest. Ġifieri Luisa ovvjament tkun taf xi trid tagħmel on court, il-persuna viċina tagħha tigwida meta jkolli bżonn niġbidha l-attenzjoni jiena jekk ma tismani xi il-plejer li tkun ħdejha tiġbidha l-attenzjoni u nikkomunika magħha jiena.
Silvio Borg jiddeskrivi lil Luisa bħala tfajla eżemplari li qatt ma lmentat jekk ma tilabx u team player li tissapportja lil sħaba.